It's a 2014 Nissan Rogue. Long, tall, or wide, there's plenty of cargo and passenger space inside this sharp-looking crossover. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive notes the continuously variable transmission works well with the engine, quickly switching to an appropriate ratio for the driving conditions. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at youngernissanofrederick.com, or if you're already on the website, fill out our coupon form. Stop in for a test drive at 7418 Grove Road in Frederick, Maryland.